Good evening, Dr. Dan. This is phase two, part three, the one that's due on the ninth. So we did a lot of reading and writing on the VCNL 440, 4040. And uh this is the third video I coded along, and um we were able to um write into the registers here and read the light datas, the light data, the light data from um, whatever whatever registers the data was written into, and it's being output here, as you can see in the serial monitor. The ambient lights at 7, 9, and since we use this resolution setting, can go up to a max of 6,553. Let me grab some white light. I'll be back. And so if we shine this on that, okay, it went up, but hmm, is it not? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it got to the max, and then if we take it off, it's back to normal. But yeah, um, that was the max value we can store on that. Hmm, is it that low thing? Mhm. There we go. Phew. So that's the third video done and dusted. I will also do the last two videos, the previous two. Oh, the reason? Okay, so at first, as you can see, the rw.h file was not working, but I had to put it inside this include folder in um the project, and that's how it worked. Okay, let's move this one down here. Mhm. So this is, I see, it right. Okay. So if we build this one, okay, we had a slight issue in when I was running it. So I understand why it's doing that, but I do not know how to stop it. I know you're supposed to reset the the device, but mine does not turn off. It only turns off on its own. I can't press the power button and for it to turn off. Or even when I disconnected the VCNL from the device, it didn't change anything. But I do know where the problem lies. Um, yeah. So we were able to write, we were able to write a couple of registers. Um, which registers were they? We were able to write 1, 2, 3, 4 on one of the registers. And here we go. So we were able to write 1, 2, 3, 4 on this register. But this first register is supposed to show 0. because that's what it is on the chart, the PDF, the device PDF with the registers. But um, I needed this is the last value that was there, so I needed to reset the device, but I don't know how to reset the device. I couldn't see on the video, but yeah, we were able to write 1, 2, 3, 4 onto this register and it was read. And yeah, this so yeah, I think that's this. Yeah, I understood that. If you're able to, I will ask this question on Tuesday if um how I'm supposed to reset my device so that that can work properly. Anyway, we're gonna move to the very first video. Um, oh, wait, what happened? Oh, okay, in this one, all we are doing is reading, um, all we are doing is reading the registered data, from, okay, on that chart, it's the very last register. We put, oh, the address, no, that was not the address. This was the address, 0x0C. That was the 8-bit address, and what we were supposed to get was the 16-bit data from that address. And this one worked well. I think the what we were supposed to get was 0x0186, and I will show you that is what I was able to get here. Don't worry about my laptop going very loud. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. So we had an expected device ID of that, and that's what we got when we ran this file. And yeah, that is phase two, part three, I think. Yes. Phase two. Um, yeah, that is phase two, part two. Sorry. Yes. Phase two, part two. Phase three is installation of Flutter, and that will be next week. But this is it. Yeah, this is part two of phase two. And thank you very much, Dr. Dan, for another code along and video lecture. I hope you have a wonderful week.